Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about MOONSTORM. This token is actually pretty interesting and I've just talked to the dev. He sounds like a really cool dude, and with that being said, let's just get right into the token. So here hopping onto their website at moonstorm.io. It's a community owned protocol that reward holders. It's a new token on the Binance Smart Chain. So the whole website will have a revamp in the upcoming weeks. Everything will be synced, everything will be updated, and this will look way slicker. Here on the roadmap, I've talked to the developer, so he said that they're going to get a CoinMarketCap listing tomorrow and the CoinGecko listing in the next few days. So the June CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing, as I said before, MOONSTORM CX listings in July 2021, further ecosystem development, pool staking, charity partnership, swap multiple Binance Smart Chain pairs via platform, MOONSTORM shop, and the future partnership announcement. Here we have the chart. So MOONSTORM had a massive pump in the first days when it launched. So token was launched on the 18th of April, had a massive pump on the 21st of April, then it steadily went down as people took profits, then again a little pump over here, and now it's staying at a consolidation point. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. Taking a look here at the BSC scan, so they're currently sitting at almost 20,000 holders, with the highest amount a person is owning is 2%. I also highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 3,500 members, as this group is very active and it is a good community. I want to show you guys quickly how to buy MOONSTORM. So firstly, you'll need MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After you have installed and set up your MetaMask, you need to transfer BNB into your wallet. After you have transferred it, make sure to set a slippage tolerance on 6% and just put in whatever amount you want to buy MOONSTORM. Click on swap, confirm swap. If it does give you an error like mine did over here, just put the slippage a little bit more. So I've set it on 7%, click on confirm. MetaMask will give you a notification and you should be ready to go. So here on the website we can see a little chart on how they have distributed the tokens. So 1.5% was sent to the developer, 25% on the liquidity pool, 33% on your pre-sale, 1.5% marketing, 35% was burned, 1.5% reserve, and 0.6% on the DX sale. That being said for today's video, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out MOONSTORM. All the links will be down into the description.